Hey guys, it's Nikki from TaylorMade Muscle Cars. So today I'm addressing an issue with my 2009 Dodge Charger. It's been having some issues with the wheel covers. They've been noisy, but also they're loose fitting. So these are the factory ones, and here's the wheel cover, it's chrome. And last week it fell off. I lost it, somebody tracked me down, thank goodness it survived. Didn't crack or anything like that, but we've had issues with these covers in the past in other vehicles. So we've tried to use double stick tape. That has not worked, so instead we're going to be using this urethane. It's really used for windshields, but this works. So if you're having issues, with this will probably help you. Basically, I'm going to take a wad of the urethane, put it in towards the center of the spokes, because if you put it towards the outside, it puts the wheel cover out of balance and the wheel also out of balance. And if you keep it towards the center, it's just better. So I'm going to have, and quick thing, before I'm doing this, I did clean the car and I washed the rims really, really well, just for a better contact point. So I'm gonna have Sean go ahead and squeeze out the urethane just because it's really thick. So he's going to take over. Alrighty, and we've got our cover over here lining up a little hole. Alright, and they should just pop on, and I can already see that in the back it's a little tricky, but it is making that contact, so we know it's going to pop on there. So we're gonna let it set overnight and it should be good to go. Okay guys, so you are probably wondering, how are you going to change your tires when these seem to be kind of permanently on here, these little wheel covers? Well, there's a way. I'm gonna show you how. All right, so we had an extra wheel laying around, we had an extra wheel cover, and here we go. Basically, taking a flathead screwdriver and those little contact points that we did, we're going to go ahead and just kind of put the screwdriver in here, wiggle it around, and it'll kind of undo that contact point. Takes a little finessing. There we go. Okay. And that one's good. That one was easy. All right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and flip it back over. And there we go. And it's off. All right. There you have it. And then to put it back on after you change the tires, because it's such a small amount of the urethane that you did, you could just probably build off of it. You don't have to take it off. You can if you want to, but it's probably just easier to leave it on and then pop your wheel cover back on. So we're gonna do the same thing with the other wheels. I hope this helps if you guys have this issue, and thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for your continued supports to our family of YouTubers. Thanks.